Okay, this channel has to be a 1/4 inch bigger.
No, 1/2 inch bigger.
Oh yeah, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch all the way around.
Yeah.
And the keyways,
1/4 inch keyways.
Spacer keyway so that dirt doesn't get stuck in here.
Exactly, yeah.
And there's the tension springs.
Yeah, they are fast. They are welded on the frame.
Yeah.
And you gotta have a nut so you could set them.
Yeah, and including a lock nut.
Yeah. And this one is which one is when you
there's a custom wrench to
yeah
loosen it off.
Yeah. So he's coming this way to tight.
Yeah.
Nyt me kannattaa se pleiti siihen, niin se näkee.
Niin.
Tämä pää on saletti.
Fixed shaft?
Yeah, because it's a belt driving.
Yeah.
It's driving when you're...
Uh-huh.
The clutch is on the motor.
So yeah, solid shaft on this end.
Yeah.
And the tank for the...
Tämä wheel pitää olla vähintään 0,5 tuumaa korkeammalla kuin tuo toinen.
Ai miten?
Tämä pitää olla vähintään 0,5 tuumaa korkeammalla kuin tämä.
Okay, so that wheel is 1/2 inch higher
and that wheel.
than this wheel here, the driven wheel.
Yeah, the reason why, because that I show you. No, that one and this one is exactly level, same level on these ones.
As the bed.
Rolls. And I just look something to see what happened. Easy to see it. You see it if you
So that's loosened right off.
yeah, and it gotta have a little bit of play here.
Oh yeah.
See if the plate broke or something happened, it go bang, but it doesn't fly out.
Yeah, okay.
You gotta have a long, I don't know how to call this long nut say, but gotta have it so that it doesn't come out.
Yeah.
Because it's
yeah, so it's strong because there's a lot of thread on it. Yeah.
And now, if you see it, in here. Why these are higher? These were higher because if it is same height on that one, these never turn.
Yeah, right. That makes sense.
You don't have no pressure on it.
Yeah.
And that has to turn. See, because.
Oh yeah, so that's...
Because this one going...
Oh yeah, you can adjust it, right?
Yeah, so now you really see if you really take a look why he's how come he's at the 1/2 inch low higher this one. Go here, you see the straight and then up.
Yeah.
gotta have that pressure so it turns. That those guide rolls have to turn.
Yeah, yeah. So those wheels have to turn.
They have to turn.
Yeah, okay.
And you should have a 1/8 of an inch, roughly speaking, out from that kite. That plate running, you see?
1/8 which way?
From here to the plate here.
Oh, 1/8 space.
Yeah, like you see here.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so you can see it there.
Yeah.
1/8.
Yeah, that's the way you have to set it.
And of course you can adjust it with the set screws, set
Yeah.
bolts.
Well, these have to be level this way and that way. That plate has to be level on same.
Yeah,
on,
as the
on
bed.
here,
Yeah, yeah.
and this one same thing on that way.
Where did you find these wheels?
I can't remember where the heck I found them.
That was a good find.
So now I have a set screws. I have a bolted them out here. Here the set screw to set them those wheels so they stay.
Oh, yeah, right.
This one is fixed. This one is moved.
Yeah.
And same thing. I have the same thing here.
Oh, yeah, there's some set screws to adjust the pulleys.
Yeah, the pulleys have to be so that now when he turns, he stayed at clearance in there. 1/8 of an inch roughly speaking.
Yeah.
And now when you start cutting, this one will be pushed against.
Oh,
the
yeah.
kites.
Oh, I see, okay.
They go like that, see?
Yeah. So under pressure from cutting, they
Yeah.
hit the back of
They
the...
hit the back of the kites.
Yeah. And where did you get those guide wheels?
They had this machine made.
Oh, okay.
There's 2 pairings each one, side by side inside.
Oh, okay. 2 bearings inside.
2 pairings.
Yeah.
And the top of these kites here, like this one go up and down. This one here has to be loose on the top. It's gotta be loose at the top. It's never fastened anywhere.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Both of them are loose on the top.
Yeah, so
I
this...
have only 1 screw in the bottom.
There's just 1 screw on the bottom of those shafts holding it there.
1 bolt on the bottom.
Okay.
But I have a pushling here inside, pushling in here inside, and now because this one is loose, now because it doesn't matter up and down, you know.
Yeah.
When you go see, that maybe move the top a little bit so it stay always nice and straight.
Yeah, right.
And that's why you never fasten on the top.
Yeah. So that top is never fastened.
Never fasten. The main thing is to keep this one is level each way.
Yeah, level both ways.
Yeah, and then this one has to be work with that.
And
Like
there
this
you...
one, his wheels have to be a little bit higher. You can't put it right on the bottom. It got to be higher, so that you get that what they call 1 inch last cut. Now it's right down the bottom. But now it's from this.
Yeah, that's your reference.
That's your lock. That's a 1 inch cut. The last one.
1 inch cut here, so You roll it over.
Yeah.
That's down
That's the last cut.
down to the bottomed out there.
Yeah, bottom out. The last one is cut. Sama mitta tuolta toisesta päästä, uudesta päästä. Sattuu tämä jotain 6,5 tuumaa. Tämä nyt pitäisi olla aika lähellä keskellä tuota tukkia.
Niin, tarvii hyvä tuuma sinne alle.
Se pitää nostaa vähän, niin sä saat enempi puusta.
Niin, niin. Niin, se auttaa aika paljon sitten.
Joo, se ei ole pakko niin justiin olla, vaan se menee aika lähelle.
Niin. Niin on se nyt.
Se voisi pikkusen nousta,
Niin.
mutta pidetään niin lähellä kuin suinkin mahdollista nämä kaikki roolit. Niin kun se on lähinnä tuota puuta, niin se tulee suorempi jälä. Looks like that's the slowest spot, eh?
Niin.
So it's some round 9, you would cut maybe 9 and 3/4, 8 and 3/4. How big